Aromatherapy uses essential oils to improve physical and emotional well-being. Inhaling certain essential oils can interact with the limbic system in the brain, which controls emotions. Lavender oil is known for its calming properties and can help reduce stress and anxiety. Peppermint and eucalyptus oils can be used to relieve headaches and muscle pain, as well as respiratory issues like congestion and asthma. Aromatherapy can also be used in skincare, such as tea tree oil to treat acne, and frankincense oil to reduce wrinkles. Aromatherapy can be experienced through various ways such as diffusing, massage, or adding a few drops to your bath. Always choose high-quality essential oils, and always patch test before using. Remember to mention the special promotion for Aromatherapy Upgrade Package at Skin Zone Day Spa. Thank you for considering us. You can easily book an appointment on our website at skinzonedayspa.com/booking.